Hi, Deadlocks here again, and today I'm going to do an overview of these UZI handcuffs.
UZI.
Yes, they are the cheap ones. They cost me like, was it 20 quid?
Yep.
Yes, they cost me £20. Nice and cheap.
£4.
I've got to be honest, I got a hold of these and I instantly thought, these kind of feel a bit like the cheap Taiwanese handcuffs. That's like how I felt when I was holding them, and I kind of explored around a little bit and eventually found that it says Taiwan right there. So yeah, basically I'm gathering that these are the cheap Taiwanese cuffs that have been branded by UZI. But that's fine, they're black, they're kind of cool. That chain looks kind of weak. I think that could probably be snapped by someone easier than you would like. There is... Are you having fun now, Mrs. Day? Why are you licking the PlayStation controller?
I dropped it in the hands of the light.
Okie dokie.
I have to get it up somehow. And who wants to waste good into the light?
Who wants to drop the PlayStation controller in the Angel?
I didn't mean to. It was an accident.
Anyway, I was saying there is no backloading. That pivot point is very floppy. It's the body of the cuff a lot, to the point where what should go good every time now, just to prove us wrong. There we go. There's a miss. There's another miss. There's another miss. Got it that time. Got it that time. Got it that time. It misses quite a lot, so if you're trying to stick them onto the wrists of a criminal or something, that's probably going to be a problem. As well as a bit of weirdness with the... What are you doing?
I'm opening a box.
Okay, now that Mrs. Day's finished making all that noise.
So much noise that I'm just doing things.
So all these teeth are very sharp and kind of have pointy bits pointing up in that direction. That I kind of would have thought would have been removed at the factory. I don't know if you can see it on camera or not. So the little jaggedy edges and bad finishing. I do like the keys though. The keys are dark and cool. I like that. They do double lock, as they should. I did think Mrs. Day had finished making all that noise, but she hasn't.
What? What's wrong?
You're noisy.
Always.
The keyway is massive, so it shouldn't be too difficult to...
Doing it on purpose, so ain't you?
What's that?
Don't know.
Yeah, the keyway is massive and the double lock doesn't feel too difficult to disengage, so I wouldn't have thought that these would be too difficult to pick. So, with that one, that's double lock done, single lock. Done. Locking paw's an odd looking thing in here. Its weird shape seems to be all over this side and not very much over that side. Not sure why that is. I would try shimming, but I don't really have very much that'll fit down that channel there. It's a bit narrow. What have I got? Nothing by the looks of things. That won't fit, will it? Oh, that won't fit. Possibly something you could say that's good about them. Really narrow channel, not much fits down there. I should have tested this before I turned the camera on. But I didn't. Oh well. So yeah, I suppose you could call that very narrow channel anti-shim. Probably does make the handcuffs quite uncomfortable to wear over a long period of time. The paint seems quite nice, although it does seem to be wearing a strip off that cuff already. I think, yeah, that's off where it's smacked off there a bunch of times and chipped there. Yeah, they're fun, they're cool. If you're going to use them for something important, I would spend a little more than 20 quid on your handcuffs. That's all from us. See you next time. No, she chooses not to be noisy.
What?
That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye.
You know what the highway code is, mate?
Aye, I do. Cheers. Uh-huh.